Welcome back to Crypto World. In today's video, we're diving deep into Jupiter, a fascinating project aimed at revolutionizing blockchain-based secure messaging. Join us as we explore what Jupiter offers, its investment potential, and whether it should be part of your crypto portfolio in 2024. Don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more crypto insights. Jupiter is designed as a highly secure platform for encrypted messaging and data services, leveraging blockchain technology to ensure privacy and security. Its native token, JUP, plays a crucial role in facilitating services like transaction fees and data storage on the network. Today, we'll break down how Jupiter works and why it's gaining attention in the tech world. At its core, Jupiter offers end-to-end encryption for messages and data, making it virtually impregnable to unauthorized access. Additionally, Jupiter allows users to create decentralized applications, dApps, on its platform, broadening its use case beyond just messaging. Let's explore how these features position Jupiter within the blockchain ecosystem. In an era where data breaches and privacy concerns are rampant, secure communication platforms are more crucial than ever. Jupiter's blockchain solution addresses these issues head-on, providing a robust alternative to conventional security methods in digital communication. Investing in Jupiter could offer several financial benefits. As digital privacy becomes a global priority, platforms like Jupiter could see increased adoption, potentially driving up the value of JUP. JUP tokens are used to pay for all transactions and services on the Jupiter platform, which could lead to an increase in demand as the platform grows. Jupiter's focus on integrating secure messaging with blockchain gives it a unique position in the market. As businesses and organizations look to enhance data security, Jupiter could forge significant partnerships, further boosting its profile and the utility of JUP. While the potential for growth is evident, investing in Jupiter also comes with risks. The success of JUP heavily depends on the platform's adoption and ongoing development. Additionally, the highly volatile nature of the crypto market means that investments can fluctuate widely. It's important to consider these factors and conduct thorough research. That wraps up our deep dive into Jupiter. With its innovative approach to secure blockchain communication, Jupiter presents a compelling case for those interested in the intersection of privacy and technology. What do you think about Jupiter and its potential in the crypto market? Would you consider investing in JUP? Share your thoughts in the comments below. If you found this video helpful, please like, share, and subscribe for more detailed crypto analysis. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.